Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and today I am super excited to announce the winner of the Spark controller combo, as well as subscriber of the month for Ready Set Drone. So stay tuned and we'll check it out. So first of all, I want to really thank our friends at SOAR.earth, the decentralized global map that sponsored this contest. They bought this and they sponsored the whole thing. I just promoted it. It was a contest that allows you to upload your stock photography from drones to their global map. And basically what it allows people to do is if they're searching for a certain latitude and longitude or location on the map, they can find images of that spot, not just from satellites, but from drones as well. Well, they decided that the theme would be nature's beauty from above. And if you put in a picture or several pictures, lots of pictures, and you put the hashtag SOAR to win into your description, you would be eligible to win. And we have actually 2 runners-up and a winner that I'm going to announce right now. The 2 runners-up will get some prizes from SOAR. I got a hoodie from them, some stickers, some cool stuff, and then the winner will receive, of course, the DJI Spark. So the first runner-up is a guy that I have seen online a lot. He is a big part of the online drone community, and he apparently uploaded a lot of really great images, and his name is Parsons. TJ had some really great descriptions of some of the images. Like one of them was Superstition Running Wild. I looked at the picture and it turns out it's the Superstition Mountains. But I just thought it was cool the way he named them. The pictures are beautiful. If you get a chance to go check out TJ's selections on SOAR.earth, please do. TJ will receive a gift from SOAR, and I don't know exactly what that is, but like I said, I got some good stuff from them, so hopefully it will be just as good. TJ, if you want to hit me in the comments below or direct message or email me or even email SOAR directly, they will hook you up and make sure you get your prize, so congratulations. The second runner-up is a guy by the name of Nathan Liu. Nathan lives in California, and Nathan killed it on the number of pictures. He actually put up the most pictures out of anybody, and a lot of them were accepted. SOAR commented to me that they really liked the fact that he did a lot of portrait as well as landscape, some different perspectives, and really took some just really cool, interesting shots. Now, Nathan is 14 years old and lives in California, which is pretty awesome that a 14-year-old is out doing such awesome drone photography. I think we're gonna see a lot from Nathan. Again, Nathan, hit me in the comments or via email or hit SOAR directly and they will get you your prizes. And finally, the winner with some really amazing drone images is a guy named Mathais Hoffner. Now, it looks like Mathais is from Iceland, and he took full advantage of the fact that he was in such an awesome location and took some amazing pictures from Iceland, tagged them appropriately, and got a lot of them accepted onto the SOAR platform. And man, I have to say, I am very excited about the opportunity to maybe go visit Iceland someday because it looks like a really cool place to fly. Mathais, congratulations on winning. I'll be shipping you this DJI Spark. I hope you don't already have a Spark. It looked like some of your pictures were taken with a Mavic Air, so this will be another drone to add to your arsenal. Great job, man. I'm really impressed with your work. I think SOAR is as well, and really appreciate you participating in this contest. So real quick, a couple of stats about the contest. SOAR had over 500 images uploaded. And understand, they started with very few on the site, so that was a big contribution. 300 plus of those were accepted by the team, and so now those are part of this map. The goal is to keep going with this. If you're interested in uploading your pictures to SOAR.earth, I'll put a link in the description as to where you go to do that, as well as the guide for the types of pictures they're looking for. They're pretty specific about wanting really high quality drone pictures, but the other opportunity you have is to sell the pictures on their platform and make a little extra money. Again, all the rules and everything for that are on the site. So if you want to know more, click the link below, register, and it doesn't cost anything. I've got pictures up there, and I think I've got some pretty cool ones, especially ones I'm uploading now that I just got back from Italy, and I'm going to do some in Germany this summer, so I'm very excited about contributing to that community. So one last thing before we wrap up this contest conversation. SOAR is offering 20 free copies of the software AirMagic by Skylum. Now, Skylum produces AirMagic to help you make your drone photos look better. You put it in, it's just a couple of clicks and sometimes just one click, and your photos instantly look better. I'm not sure how it does it, but if you're not familiar with Photoshop and just want a quick way to enhance the way your photos look, check out AirMagic by Skylum. SOAR is giving away 20 copies of it. I'm not sure what it costs to buy, but they're going to give them away for free. And so basically, I'm not sure how they're announcing those winners. I'll get with them and find out, but definitely subscribe to SOAR on their YouTube channel. Definitely follow SOAR on Instagram. They're very active on Instagram, and it's at SOAR Earth. If you want to follow them on Instagram, please follow Ready Set Drone on Instagram as well. That would be fantastic if you wanted to do that. And thanks again to SOAR for sponsoring the SOAR to Win contest and giving away this awesome prize. And congratulations to our 3 winners, Mathais, Nathan, and TJ. Okay, and speaking of winners, I know not everybody watches First Friday on the first Friday of the month. If you don't, you really should. It's our live stream that we do the first Friday of every month. The next one will actually be from Germany. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that, but I'm going to make it work. That said, we announced the subscriber of the month for Ready Set Drone, and in this box is a bunch of drone goodies. I'm not going to open it because I don't want him to see it and ruin the surprise, right? But believe me, they're good drone goodies. I've given away a couple of Mavic Airs. I've given away a couple of Sparks. I've given away tons of other drones, racing drones, toy drones, t-shirts, Frisbees with Ready Set Drone, all kinds of cool stuff. So if you want to, oh, and the winner, by the way, is Francois from Houston. Francois was at Spin Up last year. I had a chance to meet him. Really cool, nice guy. He's actually an aerospace engineer, works at Intercontinental Airport in Houston for Airbus, I believe. So worth knowing and a big part of the drone community. Congrats, Francois. I know I need to get this in the mail to you. You sent me your address a couple days ago. I'll do it this week and you should have it by Monday at the latest. If you want to join the Ready Set Drone community, there is a button down below that says join. It helps support the channel. But even if you don't want to do that and you're just someone who regularly contributes to the drone community, all the other great drone channels out there that we associate with and watch, if you're regularly posting, you're regularly commenting in a positive way, and you're someone who is a part of this community, I'm watching you, believe me. And especially if you're a subscriber of mine, and especially if you follow me on Instagram as well, I'm watching who does this, and that's how I come up with the winners for the subscriber of the month, is just paying attention to who's been an active force in the drone community as of late. Francois is that guy this past month. I'm looking forward to finding out who it is next month. If you want to know more about drones and drone accessories and contests and all that good stuff, please consider subscribing to Ready Set Drone. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and be sure to check out upcoming videos. I've got a few great reviews about some toy drones that I have, as well as my trip to Germany, which is coming up. I'm going to take my Mavic to Zoom and do a lot of flying over there, so I'm super excited. Hope you'll join me. Take care, and we'll see you next time.